Nations beyond the language barrier. I think too much is made of the difficulties in gracing this foreign player. Yep. That's what I thought. Dust. Why is my nose tickling? I feel a sneeze coming. Excuse me. Commentators frequently remark excuse me. Number of players in the club. Oh dear. It's a lot of dust. I can't get past this sentence. Oh, I've got dust in my nose. Oh dear. Oh. Excuse me. Oh dear. That's what I was looking for. This always happens with dust. It feels like it's finished. We can talk normally. Has it finished? Maybe. I still feel like I'm going to sneeze again. I'm going to sneeze. Oh dear. Well, I hope that's it. Sorry about that. Where was I? Oh yeah. Once I get a little grain of dust up my nose, that's it. It's sneezing time. I think we're okay now. I think it's all out. So, sorry for a bit stuffy. Commentators frequently remark on the number of foreign players